Yes, good morning, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen. So, any doubts before we start regarding my voice and screen sharing? I hope you are able to hear me, are able to watch my screen. Yeah. So, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. We are based out in Hyderabad. Myself, this is Chandra. I'm here to take the demonstrations about Oracle applications. We have three demonstrations today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So these are the three demonstrations we have. So the reason behind three demonstrations is in the demonstrations itself, I'm going to show you the assignments and I'm going to execute couple of assignments so that you will be able to understand what exactly we are going to do it. And you will be more clear whether you are able to understand or not. Okay. So the course, what we are going to learn is Oracle applications. Also call it as EBS, e-business suite, technical, or release 12 version. That's the course. Okay. So today we will start with first, what is Oracle? What is Oracle applications? What are the different jobs we will have? And we'll have today's simple assignment, how to create users, how to log in. And then tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will take major, we'll take with major assignments. We'll do more practical tomorrow and day after. Okay. So during this demo, if you have any doubts, you can go ahead, unmute yourself and ask for the doubts. Even you have a small doubt, you can ask me because this is a course where freshers as well as experienced and non-IT to IT, all are going to join, and we all are in the same place, right? So you can go ahead with that. Yeah. So first, we'll talk about what is Oracle. Oracle is a database. Oracle means it is a database. So this is a database where you are going to maintain your data. The clients are going to maintain their business data over here. The clients are going to maintain their business data over here. Business data means your clients' financials data, your clients' sales data. Is all data is going to be maintained here. Let me write down here. You can easily understand. So Oracle is one of the database. The purpose of Oracle is if you want to manage your business data, day-to-day business data. Let's say your client is Reliance Trends. Okay, your client is Reliance Trends. This client is having around 400 branches in India. In every branch, let's say 20 employees. In every branch, there are 20 employees. It means total 8,000 employees. All these 8,000 employees are working in this company, Reliance Trends. They have some products, retail business. All these 8,000 employees, every day they come to office. They'll sell the goods. They'll procure the materials. They maintain the payments and collections and income tax, GST, taxes, discounts, arrears, and they have the employee salaries, nothing but payroll, employee leaves, and employee benefits. And they have the call center for providing the information to the customers, taking care of the customer. This is all business data. We have to maintain all this information. That's why we require the databases. And also we need applications. We call it as ERP applications. What is meant by ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So ERP means it is one of the application, or it is one of the software, or it is one of the product. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. It is one of the ERP product, we can also call it. So almost all the clients will use the ERP softwares because they have to maintain their day-to-day finance data, day-to-day financials data, sorry, finance data. They have to maintain HR data, supply chain management data, CRM data, project portfolio management data. So ERP has got all these modules, all these domains. It's already developed. It's already developed. Okay. ERP applications. What are the different ERP softwares are there in the market? For example, you want to buy a car. There are Tata cars, there are Tech Mahindra cars, there are Maruti Suzuki, Toyota, like that different companies has built different cars. But finally, all are the base is car only. There will be a four wheels and there will be engine and there will be a seaters and all. This is all our common features, right? But they'll have different features, different look and feel, okay, different performance and other prices and other things, right? Same thing. There are multiple companies has developed ERP softwares. SAP is there, Microsoft Dynamics is there, Salesforce is there, Oracle EBS is there, PeopleSoft is there, JD Edwards we have, Siebel we have, Workday we have, this is all. But this ERPs like PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel, all these three ERPs are merged with Oracle. No more PeopleSoft, no more JD Edwards, and no more Siebel. Oracle acquired all these companies in 2005. So from 1996 onwards, we have these ERP applications in the market. Of course, Salesforce has came into the market in 2012, Dynamics 2008. Of course, Workday came in 2015. Like that. So these all are old again. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel in 1996, but Oracle acquired in 2005. Now, major ERPs, if we talk in the market, SAP is there, Oracle EBS. Oracle EBS is the major competitor for SAP. SAP ERP applications, and when we talk about ERP applications, that is major. Okay, so these are two major applications which we have. We can say that SAP is a competitor. SAP is a competitor over here, we can say. Okay. So here, whenever any client required ERP software, they will refer. These are the ERPs are available in the market. So they refer the best, they refer the best ERP software in the market. Best ERP software in the market. Which one is good? Here it is. Okay. So let's say Oracle EBS is one of the good ERP. They found it. Yeah. Would say it's a good ERP. So Reliance Trends has decided to use this ERP software, Oracle EBS, to maintain their finance data, their employees' data. Employees means employee pay slips, employee leave apply, manager approvals, employee performance, employee benefits. Okay, this is all data. Supply chain means procurement, sales, and all. So what Reliance Trends will do is they will buy this ERP software from Oracle. So Oracle company, Oracle Corporation has developed multiple products. They developed Oracle database. They developed Oracle integration tools. They developed Oracle EBS ERP software also. ERP application also they have developed. What this client is doing is this client will buy this ERP software from Oracle. So what Oracle is telling, this is one of the ERP application you can install in your server, and then you can go for maintain your day-to-day business transactions in this application so that you can easily analyze the business. You can easily analyze the business. You can easily manage your business. You can maintain the security, access, approvals, and everything. That's what the purpose of ERP applications. Okay. So when client take this ERP application, how they are going to use, because this client is retail industry, textiles industry. They are not into software, right? So what this client will do is they will give this project TCS or Wipro or Accenture or TM, or they will give it for Infosys. There are hundreds of Oracle partners. These all are IT companies. What they do, if any client buy the products, these companies will make that product flexible for them, because this product is developed for all the enterprises, for all the enterprise resource plan. ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. So what Oracle is telling, I have developed one ERP software called Oracle EBS. If you install this software and if your employees start using this software day to day, financial transactions, or sales, or procurement, or payments, or collections, cash management, accounting entries, all this day to day transactions, you can easily manage, analyze your business, and understand what is happening, and you can maintain complete security. Make sure that all 400 branches, 8,000 employees, should not be any fraud. There should not be any crossing limits. There should not be any unknown transactions should happen in the business, right? So it's very difficult for me to monitor without that, right? So that's the requirement. Then they can start using this ERP application. Let's say your client has purchased this software. They paid amount, Oracle company, and they have purchased this software from Oracle. After purchasing, after purchasing this software, it has got all features. Software has got all the features. Okay. So the client required the application. According to that, we are supposed to modify the product. Who will do that work? Who will do? Client says that I don't want this pages. I want this report like this. I want to change this logic. I wanted to go for change the approval process. I wanted to implement this integrations. Who will do that work? There are IT companies. Then Oracle also will do it. Then Oracle also will do it. So there are IT companies who are ready to provide this, services, the software services. Okay, let's say Reliance company has got up with Wipro. So they decided, okay, we'll give this project to Wipro. We'll give this project to Wipro company. Now what Wipro has to do, they have to customize this software, configure the software. Sometimes development also required. Sometimes enhancements required. Sometimes some setups and maintenance and other things are required. So configurations. Okay. So these all things has to be done by the Wipro company, and make sure that the software should be compatible for your client. Compatible for your client. Okay. So what Wipro companies has to do is they'll recruit the software. They'll recruit the DBS. They'll recruit the functional team. They'll recruit the technical team. So whenever we want to implement this ERP software for our client, we need DBS, we need functional people, we need technical people. Three different types of roles we will find. Depends on the complexity, depends on the business. Is it a small client or mid-size or large scale industries? Depends on that number of headcount. maybe one or two or 10, 20 members, depends on that. Multiple people will be working. Okay. So what Wipro company is going to do is they are going to hire the software engineers. Some people are DBAs, some people are functional consultants, some people are technical consultants, and they start working on the project. That's how the projects will come in the Arc applications ERP software. So this client can be any business, maybe in the automobile or healthcare or manufacturing company or textiles company or insurance, banking domain, education sector, share market, retail industry, even agriculture industry in US also they use the softwares because they have thousands of acres. They used to purchase the materials, sell the materials, they have the employees, they have the laborers who are working in the applications and all. Yes, definitely they need an application to manage all this data. Okay. So here the clients, whenever they want to maintain their complete business data in a single software, they look for the ERP applications. There are different ERPs are available in the market. SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, Salesforce, EBS, and PeopleSoft, Workday, like that. Obviously, client will look for the best ERP. Okay, good. My Oracle EBS is there since 1996, around 30 years. The product are using thousands of customers across the world. They may take some feedback from existing customers also, right? They see the reviews. Like you want to buy a mobile, definitely you will see the ratings and you will see the reviews and you will see the performance and other things. Finally, you will take, and then again you look for the best options, better price or support or service or delivery immediately available. So a lot of concerns will be there, and finally you will decide, right? That's how you are going to have. Reliance Trends is an client who will take care of that. Now they decided to go with Oracle. And then once client buy this software, they can't use as it is because this software has got all features, and client is required only few of them, and they wanted to restrict the application. The application is empty application. Empty means it's an fresh instance, fresh software application. You need to configure yourself, your company name, your branches data, your departments data, your products data, your employees data, your sales discounts, sales accounting, employees leaves, all these setups you need to configure. So that you cannot do because you don't know. You are basically from some other domain, some other sector, right? You are a retail company, you will do the retail business, textiles business. So definitely you have to give this project to some software company, TCS, Wipro, or Accenture, Mahindra, or someone. So let's say Wipro has got the project. Then the Wipro says that in 2 years or 1 year, we will implement this software for you. Okay, project is given. They said that 2 years project. Then Wipro company will recruit the DBS, and then they recruit the functional people and technical. So if you say that I am working, if somebody says that I am working in Oracle apps or Oracle EBS application, Oracle EBS ERP application, all are same. EBS, e-business suite, Oracle ERP, Oracle EBA, Oracle applications. These all are same. Okay. If somebody says that in Oracle apps I'm working, maybe you are a DBA, you are a functional, or you are a technical consultant, or you are a technical consultant. Right. This is about here. Yeah. So this is how the project will come. Is clear, everybody? Any doubts here now? How the project?
I have a quick question.
Yes.
So, like, how is it Oracle Fusion HCM versus Oracle ERP? Like, how is it related, Chandra?
That is a new one. That is a new cloud ERP. Oracle, introduced
Okay.
Oracle Fusion. That is a cloud-based ERP. Oracle Fusion, cloud-based ERP, which is introduced by Oracle in 2015, but actually it's got good feedback in 2020. But Oracle EBS is there since 1996. A lot of customers because it's an on-premise. Cloud ERP you cannot customize according to your requirement, but EBS can be customized because you will buy the software, you will install in your server, and once you install in your server, you can modify according to your requirement. And recently, Oracle extended the support till 2036. Oracle e-business suite Prime support to 2035. Prime support. Prime support means Oracle will provide. Oracle has extended their Prime support up to 2036. Oracle itself will give the support if there is any problem in the product till 2036, another 11 years. After that, Oracle will not provide, but other companies are ready to give in case. TCS will give Web Passenger. Like for some of the Oracle old versions, still there are some companies are providing support. So if somebody says that I'm looking for the cloud ERP, they can go for Fusion Cloud ERP. Somebody can look for the EBS ERP application, then they can go for EBS ERP. Simply, it's if you are going, if you are traveling in a bus, your seat will be allocated, and you have to use that seat only. And whenever bus stop, you can take rest. Otherwise, you cannot. But if you are going ahead with your car, always you have a flexibility. So if you want, you can stop the car and have breakfast. If you want to take rest, you can stop it and take a rest and all. It's like an on-premise. So on-premise ERPs will have more flexibility compared to cloud ERP. Small clients will prefer cloud. Medium and big customers will always look for the on-premise ERPs. So that's what we can say. Yeah. But both are ERP applications.
Yeah, makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Now we say that there are three jobs: DBA jobs, functional, and technical jobs. Now we'll see what DBA will do, what functional will do, what technical consultant will do. This all. Let me open the PDF document here. As we discussed, there will be three different types of roles in Oracle applications. One is DBA, another one is functional consultant, another one is a technical consultant. So what is DBA responsibility? DBA is going to install the software on our client server, maintain the security, groups define, maintain the database backup, cloning and support, maintain the multiple instances like creating development instance, testing instance, and production, maintaining all this and applying the patches, solving the bugs, and communicating with Oracle in case if there are any issues in the product, then DBA is the person who will communicate with Oracle company and get the solution and try to apply. So this all are going to be done here. This all are going to be done here. It's a DBA. DBA is responsible for that. Once DBA start the work, means once a DBA install the software and maintain all this application, Then functional consultant is going to start. Functional consultant is going to start. What is functional consultant responsibility? Interacting with the client, interacting with the client. So functional consultant is going to discuss with the client, explain about the product. Client knows that EBS application is one of the ERP software which is used to maintain the information. Okay. But when we talk about the detailed information, client may not be having. Functional consultant is responsible for explaining about the product, how to create invoices, how to cancel, how to create supplier, customer. This all information we have to maintain. That will be explained by the functional consultant to the customer and gather the requirement and maintain the gap. Gather the requirement and maintain the gap here. That's what we are going to have it here. So once the requirement comes, the requirement is related for DBA. For example, customer is asking, reconciliation reports should be executed every week. It should be executed every week. And as soon as the program is completed, the output should be sent as an email. Scheduling and delivery both should happen. It's a DBA related work, scheduling options. Then functional consultant will assign that requirement to the DBA team. Then DBA team has to complete the task. Let's say the client is asking, I wanted to know the forecasting of the purchase order. Whatever the items we are purchasing from suppliers, I want to know daily, weekly, monthly, and supplier wise, item wise, location wise. It's a report required. So that's a technical task. Technical team is supposed to build the query and build the report and deliver to the customer. That this requirement will be assigned to the technical team. And functional consultant setups. Of course, functional setups, preparing training manuals, assigning the work to the team. This all will be done by the functional consultant. Functional consultant is responsible for requirement gathering, providing training, conducting the workshops, explaining the requirements and all this done by the functional consultant. Setups and configurations. What is mean by setup? It's very simple. When you open the software, all the currencies are there. All the currencies are there. But client is looking for only US dollar and INR currency. I have a business in India and US. No other business, no other countries. So base two currencies only. Whenever we are going ahead here, other currencies also you can use, but you need to define currency conversion rate. If it is US dollar, 90 rupees or whatever it is, currency conversion rate. If it is euro currency, it is Singapore dollars, then you have to go ahead with, different currencies. That's what you are supposed to maintain. You are supposed to maintain. Here it is. So this is how you have to do the setups. I just given only two setups. One is currency setups, which currencies we have to enable, and another one is currency conversion rates. Two setups. Like this, hundreds of setups we have to configure. Hundreds of setups we have to configure. That's what the client's requirement. Those all setups and configurations we are going to do. That's a functional consultant job. So here, functional consultant is the person who will communicate with always client and explain about the product to the customer, and then a requirement, either the requirement and prepare requirement and assign this requirement to the DBA team as well as the technical team, as well as to the technical. That's how it will work. Okay. So once the functional people start, first person who will start the project, DBA. After that, functional people. Then technical team is going to start. Technical team is going to start next work. Technical team is going to receive the requirement. Means we are going to receive the requirement. We are going to receive the requirement from the technical team. And then we will go through the requirement and understand the requirement. Some companies will maintain the technical leader will receive from the technical team leader. Some companies will not maintain the team leaders. Directly, team members will be there. Functional people will assign the work directly to the technical team. So we'll prepare technical documentation, get approval, develop the object, and move the production. This is our responsibilities in the project. This is our responsibilities in the project. So as a technical consultant in Oracle applications, we get a requirement functional document from the client. We need to analyze the requirement. After that, we need to prepare technical document, how we are going to build this report, how we are going to develop this program. This is all we are going to analyze and get approval. Then we develop and test and we'll move into the production. That's what actually our responsibility is, what our responsibility over here is. Yeah. Is clear everybody now? The responsibility of technical. This is our job. So we are going to apply for a job. We are going to learn is Oracle applications technical consultant. Compared to DBA, compared to functional, there will be a more technical jobs. There will be a more technical jobs. As it is a old product since 1996, thousands of customers are using across the world. I think it's more than 50,000 customers are there across the world who are using this Oracle applications software, who are using this Oracle applications ERP software. Obviously, they need a support, they need enhancements, they need customizations. When the new version comes into the market, they need upgradations. It's an ongoing continuation process. Always there will be a jobs in Oracle applications. If you go to naukri.com and search for the job Oracle Labs technical with experience. Always we will find. It's not only generally we are going to prepare the resumes with 4+ and 5+ and applying for jobs and we are getting. Generally we find 2 to 5 years. Freshers also a lot of requirements for trained freshers. Trained fresher means you have good command on the product and you are comfortable to work. You got passed out in 2025 or 2025 or 24. So always you can learn and apply as a fresher and you'll get an opportunities. Or we will apply with 3+, 4+, and 5+ years of experience consulting. For freshers, there will be opportunity. Always as a trained fresher, they offer minimum 3.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. It depends on your performance in the interview. And if you are going with 4+ and 5, it will be 15 lakhs, 15 to 20. That's the packages we get it. So whenever we say that we are applying as Oracle applications technical consultant, they expect that RICEOW component. Old version, it was only RICE components. But latest version, currently in the market, they are asking 2 more components. More components are for reports, including BI and XML, and P2K reports. I for interface program. Interface program. C for conversion and API programs. Conversion and API programs. E for extensions, RICE component. E for extensions, nothing but our forms. Development and personalizations, both. Okay. And then O for OF pages. OF page personalization. And W means workflow. Workflow design. Yes. Earlier they were asking only RICE components. 4 objects, fine. But these are advanced, latest. The companies are expecting this too also. So we are going to learn all these six components, how to build and how to test this in the applications. That's what we are going to learn. Yeah, is clear, everybody? Any doubts on this regarding the components here?
Chandra, quick
Yeah.
question. So we even have like Oracle Fusion, techno-functional and everything, right? Like where HDL reports, OTBI and everything. So learning that and also this will be
No.
hard for us to grasp the knowledge, or how it will be like if it is a mixed experience again.
Yes, mixed experience. It will be hard, and you will not be a master in any one of that area.
Okay.
See, they expect that you are expert. They
My
expect
name is
that.
Kiran. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. They expect that in one area you should be very strong and master, right? So either Oracle Apps Technical or Oracle Fusion. That is another ERP. Fusion is another ERP. Right? So that. So it's very difficult to be a master. We can learn. Learning is different, and be a master, be an expert in that. That is different, right? So we must be expert to get the opportunity.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what actually our high level when we talk about the codes, or we can say that roles and responsibility in the Oracle applications. So we discussed what is ERP, enterprise resource planning. What are different ERP applications we have in the market? Why the ERP applications are required for the customers to maintain their financials, sales, and procurement data. Different ERPs are available in the market. And what is Oracle ERP? EBS applications ERP. How long it is there in the market? Since 1996, more than 40, 50,000 customers across the world. Okay. So any client, if they want maintain their business data in a single application, they look for the ERPs. Let's say your client has purchased ERP software from Oracle EBS ERP software. Once you purchase the software, you cannot use directly. You have to configure that. You have to customize that and personalize that, extensions, development, setups, configuration, testing. Because your business policy, your business terms and conditions are different. Maybe 30-40% is common across the world, everybody will do. But the remaining 50-60% will be different. Definitely, we need to modify the product according to the client requirement. That work we will give it to the software companies. That's what actually our project. You don't need to develop this software right from the scratch. This product is already developed by Oracle, tested this and delivered into the market. You are just buying the product and trying to modify this, and your DBA team, functional team, and technical team is going to do all this work. Any software company, they get a project Oracle Labs, they recruit the team, DBS, functional and technical, then they start using this team and deliver to the customer. Okay. So DBA is the first person who is going to start the project, install the software, and maintain the security, backup, cloning, defining development instance, testing and production, multiple, applying patches and solution solves, always communicating with our Oracle customers and all, right? The functional person is going to interacting with the client, explain about product to the client and requirement gathering, doing the functional setups, preparing training manuals, and all this they will be doing. And when the requirement comes, if it is DBA requirement, that will be given to the DBA team. If the requirement is for technical, they will give it to the technical. If it is functional, they do it functional. And the technical team is going to do this work, receive the requirements, going through the document, understand, get the approvals and development, testing, and move into the production. So all RISE OW components. Sometimes in the interviews they'll ask, are you clear with RISE OW components? For example, if you look at here, We are looking for functional full-time position. We required this communication skills, technical point of view. Yeah. So we need XML and SQL, PLSQL, OAF, and Oracle forms. That's what I mentioned here, right? Our syllabus. Our syllabus is purely whatever the clients are expecting. According to that, only we are going to have. There will be always jobs when we are talking about this. Always there will be jobs in the market for Oracle applications. And some people are telling that Oracle apps is the old ERP and all. As I have shown you, the ERP support is extended up to 2036, another 11 years. It is a prime support. Prime support means the support is given by Oracle itself. If Oracle stop the support, then Oracle partners will give the support. That will happen another 10 years at least. So this software is always jobs are there, and some people are having. Some people says that new ERP is coming into the market, and this will be no longer and like that. So for them, I'm just telling you, due to the demand from the customers only, Oracle has given this extension up to 2036. There won't be any problem. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just show you now the software, how it looks like. We cannot install this software in the laptop. We have to connect to the remote desktop. There are some companies who has installed this software in their server and they are giving the access. So once you enroll into the batch, we will be providing the software. We'll be providing this software, remote desktop. You have to just access. You don't need to install anything in your laptop. If you are good in your laptop internet, that's fine. So if have a good internet connection, that's fine. Okay. You have to enter the IP address. This is a remote desktop. Indirectly, another computer. It is another computer. Remote desktop, another computer. So there, the software is already installed. Just we have to open the application and start working on the yeah. So username, we have built-in username operations. Password is welcome. We'll be starting that one by one. I'm just showing you today how the application looks like, how to create user. Okay. How the data stores in the database, how to access the database. That's what we are going to see. So, who is connected operations user? First, to open any one of the application, just open any one of the page. Go to admin part. System administrator. System administrator. I want to create my own username. Security, user, define. User means indirectly employees. Indirectly employees. So for every employee, username password is required. So that when employee comes to office, will connect application and perform his job, his responsibility. For example, employee is working as a salesperson. He will create sales orders. He will modify the orders. He will see the existing orders delivered or not. Any issues. Customer might have raised the sales issue. Some of the product are, returnable products. Verification. This is all they will be doing. whatever responsibilities. So we will ask the client, what are the usernames you required? I just wanted to maintain username is Rajesh, password, enter the password. Here, what responsibility you want to give? Sales? Yes. Sales administrator. Oh, got internet issue. Okay. Sales administrator, application developer, chasing. Like this, we given the permissions. So Mr. Rajesh can log into the applications, and we given the sales access, application access, and purchasing access. Like this, we are going to create usernames and passwords. Okay. So if there are 8,000 employees for your customer, 8,000 ERP application users we will create. Okay. Client says that no, out of 8,000 employees, only 5,000 employees only use this software. Meaning 3,000, they don't use softwares. They have some other non-IT jobs. They have some other non-IT job. They don't use this software. They don't need username and password. Right. Okay. So that's how we have created the user account. Let me log out and log in. And now who is that? Rajesh. First time we have to change the password. Now we can see that Mr. Rajesh is connected. Rajesh is connected to the application. And we given access to application, we given access to purchasing, we given access to sales administrator. So whatever the action, whatever the responsibility he want to perform, so Rajesh is going to do that. So this is how we will create usernames in Oracle applications. Simple setup we have done. Creating the usernames, assigning these responsibilities to the users. We have to customize these responsibilities. It's our job only. We have to customize the reports. We have to customize the forms. That's what we said, right? This is RICEOW. Whatever the data we entered here, it will be available in the database. In the backend, we will find. In the backend, we are going to see this data. So backend means database you are going to connect. Okay, it looks like internet issue is there. Hmm. I don't know why it's connecting every time. Generally, it won't happen. This operations user. No, I don't want operations log. Rajesh. Mhm. Yeah. Good. So this is front end, how we can create a user account and most of the times it will be our job is back end. So means we'll be writing the queries, we'll be developing the programs. Tomorrow I'll write a program so that you can understand whether it is easy or complex. I'm just showing you which table this information is stored, where username equal to Rajesh. Execute the query. I can see that user details. This is our user Rajesh. When did we create it? 19th January 2026. Right. So if we want to work as technical consultant, what is the prerequisite? If I want to learn this apps technical course, what is the prerequisite? You need to have a basic SQL, and PLSQL. To have basic SQL and PLSQL. So if you do not have this skill set, no problem. We will train you. We have separate classes and SQL. If you already know, well and good, no problem. So we need to spend the time on SQL and PLSQL, then we can easily, work on Oracle applications. So that is the prerequisite. So that is the prerequisite for learning Oracle applications technical. Oracle apps technical here. Yeah. Is clear, everybody? Any doubts here?
Hi, Chandra. Sunil
Yes.
here.
Yes, please.
Like, what are the possibilities in future if we train up now for the Oracle EBS, like to move on to Fusion with our knowledge?
Not required. We can easily move. It's not a problem.
Okay,
But as I said, another 10 years minimum not required.
okay.
Yeah, 10 years. Because see, the salary point of view, no problem. In fact, the major advantage with Oracle applications ERP, on-premise ERPs is here projects will be minimum 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Minimum 2 years. You take any project, minimum 2 years. But in cloud ERPs, it will be 6 months, 1 year, like that. Okay. So on-premise ERPs, you take any small project also, it will be minimum 2 years. Yeah.
Hello, hi sir. I am Ujjwal.
Yes, please.
Is there any common themes? I mean, navigation in Oracle Fusion and EBS, or I mean,
No, the
the
both are
business
different.
process?
See, the
Okay,
queries might be same, but navigation, security part, both are two different ERP applications.
but
This is
business point of view, like it should be same. I mean, business don't know, no, like we are using the Fusion or EBS. Okay, so business process must be the same, no?
yes. Business process and all same, but as a software engineer, when we talk about learning, EBS is different and cloud is different. Base is SQL and common. This is common everywhere.
Mhm.
Yes. So the only thing is, if we are looking for job opportunities in the market right now, you can go for applications, ERP software. If someone is already working in the market, if somebody is already working in Oracle, okay, they want to upgrade their skills to the next level, they can look for this one. You got my point. So
Yes, sir.
whenever we compare these two, it's very simple. Yes, I'm working in non-IT. Right now I'm jobless or I'm a fresher. I'm looking for a job in opportunity in IT industry. Then look for Oracle Labs Technical. I'm already working in Oracle Labs Technical. I'm already working. So last 3 years or 4 years or 10 years. I want to upgrade my skills. Then
Mm-hmm.
they go for upgrade their skills here.
Oh,
Yeah. So when we say job opportunities point of view, compared to Oracle applications, Oracle Fusion opportunities will be 50% less. It means if there are 10 jobs in Oracle Apps Technical in the market, there will be 3 to 4 jobs in Oracle Fusion. Because it's a new product. It's as simple as it's a new product. We are providing Oracle Fusion technical course also, but if somebody is already working, we refer them. Okay, you can go ahead with this. If somebody says that no, I don't want the technology cloud and all, I'm looking for a break into the IT industry, working in non-IT. I'm a fresher. I'm looking for a job opportunity in IT industry, and I have a gap of 3 to 4 years or 5 years gap in after my graduation. I wanted to go for learn and get into the job. Then we prefer Oracle Labs Technical.
Chandra, one more question.
Yeah.
Uh, so, so, Chandra, like I am seeing a lot of job descriptions when they are saying so like let's say techno-functional cloud is what I'm saying. Like when I say
Yeah.
techno-functional, 80% is technical and 20% functional knowledge is what we are looking for. Even I'm seeing kind of getting reference calls also. So when it is saying that technical. Is it referring to the ERP technical, or is there anything technical within Fusion again that we have to know?
So see, Fusion is that's what I'm telling. Both are two different ERP. Both are two different. Let's not combine Fusion and Oracle Labs. Oracle Labs introduced by Oracle in 1996. Still, people are using another 11 years. Excuse me. Support is extended by Oracle. Obviously, why the companies will give the extension of the support? Customers are interested to use the product. If customer is not interested to use the product, then generally companies will not extend the support, right? So this is a course of Oracle applications technical. 100% technical we are going to learn, and 40 to 50% functional knowledge we are going to learn. We are going to learn 40 to 50% functional. This is the techno-functional of Oracle applications course. Tomorrow we'll be discussing a detailed syllabus of this. This is one course. Okay. Next, people comes to another ERP. Oracle introduced latest ERP cloud. In 2015, they have introduced 10 years back. In 2020, they got good feedback from the customers. Last 5 years has got good feedback. Okay. Here also again technical will be there, functional will be there. Obviously, there will be a different reporting part and other things will be there. Okay. So this is another course if somebody want to learn. Yeah. Yes. Okay. If somebody is looking for a job, it's as simple as simple. Just now I searched in Naukri. See, in India, if you are applying for a job, generally most of the people will search for the jobs where in Naukri. Yeah. So if you search for Oracle Fusion technical, then you will see the result. How many jobs are there? This I don't need to tell. There is a result practically in front of you only. I am searching. You search with Oracle Apps Technical, you will find how many jobs are there market. Oracle Fusion Technical, search it. And why people are learning Fusion Technical means people who are already working in the industry. They are already working in Oracle EBS. They want to upgrade their skills. Their package is more than 20 lakhs, 25, 30 lakhs. Obviously, they wanted to be perfect in cloud also. So they will go for upgrade. Yeah.
So my assumption is incorrect then. So when I'm thinking right, so when it is functional, I am thinking cloud, and when it is technical, I am thinking I need to learn ERP. So probably there is Something technical even in Fusion then. Okay.
Yeah, Fusion also there will be a technical. Yeah, I can give
Okay.
you
Okay.
an counseling like here. Tell me about your present expertise. Like, are you working in anywhere now?
So I'm currently working for Oracle Recruiting Cloud, Chandra. So
Okay,
currently I've
you are
been into
already
6 years.
working in. You are already working for ORC. Then you have
Yes.
to go for Oracle Fusion Technical. You
So
don't
because when it
require.
is technical, I'm a bit confused between whether it is
What I'm
EBS or
telling,
that. That's the
you
thing.
are
Yeah.
already using Oracle Fusion here, right?
Yes, Chandra. Yeah.
Yeah. Then your suitable course is this. This is not required.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah.
This is what I am going to give the training now for the people who are freshers, who are having the gap after their graduation, or from non-IT. So who is working already in testing or in other some software, who are having less packages and all. They need a job in Oracle Apps Technical. So they need an IT industry. So for them, I'm suggesting here a lot of opportunity. For you, it's not required because you are already working in the Oracle ERP. So you want to go with the latest one, then you can go with that. So generally in the market, what happened, many people will suggest Oracle Fusion is the future. Oracle Fusion has got cloud and AI and everything. So go for learning that. That's what they used to suggest to their relatives, or colleagues, or friends, or whatever the communication channel they have. But the problem is, I also agree that Oracle Fusion is the future after 5 years or after 10 years. But these people cannot wait 5 years for the job, right? These people cannot wait for the 5 years for the job, right? They want the job within 3 months or 4 months or 5 months. They don't want to wait 5 years for the job. Then look for this. Okay, fine. So that is about the introduction. Yeah,
Can
please.
our institute provided the, classes for that Oracle Fusion?
Yeah. This also is there. I think in February we have a batch. You can communicate with our admin.
Okay, okay, oh, yeah.
You can talk with our admin. Subscribe for our YouTube channel here. Online trainings and placements. Okay, and here you will see the number. This is our admin number. You can communicate with her. Okay, so they will give you the details. Okay. Somebody is looking for a software job in Oracle ERP, and yes, I have some basic idea about SQL. I'm okay. I'm ready to learn and do it. 100% assistance, and here in Oracle Apps Technical, I have just queried in front of you only Naukri. After this demo, also you can search in Naukri. Oracle Apps Technical, how many jobs are there for 4 years? Oracle Fusion Technical, how many jobs are there? You will see the difference there itself. Okay. Fine, guys. Let's see you tomorrow. Second demo, the same time, same
One
meeting ID.
last question from my
Yeah.
side. While looking for jobs, I saw there are jobs in the IT companies as well as the business, product-based companies for that account receivable and account payables associate or consultant. So, can we apply for both? Yeah,
Yes,
for the
you
IT,
can
we are
apply for
eligible.
that also. Process associates.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, I will be explaining you. Once you learn this Oracle Apps technical course, what are the different jobs you can apply? That we'll be discussing tomorrow detailed.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Fine, guys. Thank you. And you will find this demo session in the YouTube channel. Today, I'll upload it. In another 1 hour, you are going to get. Tomorrow, let's go for second demo. Tomorrow, I'll do main assignment. Today, we have done practice only, just creating the user, no, and how the data will be stored in the backend. We have seen this. Or we'll take one real-time example, project-oriented real-time example we'll take tomorrow, and then we will go for develop that and execute. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Let's see you tomorrow.